In JavaScript, the string at method returns a character at the given index in the string. That was a slight lie. JavaScript doesn't have a character type, but the at method does return a string of length 1. At is a fairly new string method. It was introduced in JavaScript 22. It is nearly identical to the charAt method, except for one difference I'll cover at the end. Let's do some examples. Let stir equals hello. If we do console.log stir at 1 and run the code, we'll see E. That is because E is a string at index 1. Next, we'll expand stir to be 2 words. Stir equals hello world. If we do console.log of stir.at5 and run that code, we'll see space. That is because space is the string at index 5. Next, we'll go back to just hello. If we do console.log stir.at5 and run that code, we'll see undefined. If you give at an index greater than or the same as the length of the string, it returns undefined. Here's the one part different than charAt. At accepts negative indices. If we change the call to at to be -1 and run that code, we'll get O. That is because -1 says, give me the last string in the string. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.